everybody, another video. It's raining very badly here in France at a campsite. Oh my god. But, wait, it had a really big hailstorm. Let me see. Yes, it's everywhere. Look, look, look. Some hail is everywhere. If you can see, there's like white stuff all over the place. Oh my god. It's still raining hard though. Very, very hardly. I might have to cut this video short as well, because otherwise I'm gonna pretty much lose my phone. I have to hold it like this. Really, it doesn't look close to my face, but it is very close. Mama, go! Thunder, thunder, I hear thunder. Bye bye. I'm going this way. Okay. Well, anyway, I gotta go now. Bye.
Oh my god!
Wait, before I go, I just wanted to say this is a quick video because, yeah, it's raining and I'm gonna get soaked. I already am soaked, but my phone is soaked, so bye.